Evening, everyone. Uh, in this presentation, I would like to share the working with the student. They are from Computer Science Department, School of Computer Science. They are Andrew Antonio and Julio Casianto. And me, myself, are College and David Parnas. I am Computer Science Department Graduate Program Doctor of Computer Science. So in this project, this is part of doing the bachelor degree in Computer Science Department. So they try to make the mobile application, so and then try to influence with the games. Yeah, so there is some the opportunity to make entertain something that become interest for the student that get involved with the application, so they're using the games. Yeah, and the purpose of these mobile games, so in this case we can call it mobile games, in order to try to learning the Java culture. So this is part of the one of the tribe in Indonesia, because the Java Island, this is become the main central, and the Java Island, they have Jakarta as the capital city for the Indonesia. So and so this is the very important in order to try to give for the young people, particularly how they can to love with the culture, yeah, particularly for the Java, and not just only the influence with the from the abroad or any abroad culture. Yeah. So the purpose of this mobile game, we try to make the application in order to help the system, yeah, or help the community, particularly for people or young people, or the people who are interested with the culture, so they can try to maintain the culture, particularly in Java culture. So the people, particularly for young people, for the Java people, young people, they can educate with the application, using the application. So the purpose of the project will use the mobile application in order to educate regarding with the Java culture. Javan culture is a culture that the Javanese own, and the Javanese have started to exit with their culture since before the era of Majapahit Kingdom, and the Javanese are famous for their ability to sail the ocean. In addition, the many temples built, which are currently historical sites, prove that the Javanese are the large ethnic group that inhabit the island of Java. Other Javanese culture include Javanese handicraft such as Kris, Javanese dance, Javanese batik art, Javanese wayang art, Javanese carving art, Javanese songs, and Javanese writing. All these cultures are part of the wealth of the unitary states of the Republic Indonesia that must be preserved and passed down from one generation to another. And current technological development tend to make the current generation less aware of preserving the culture of their ancestors. Therefore, we use technology to create an application for learning Javanese culture by applying game element as entertainment element. The business process of this application is modeled using use case diagram and class diagram to describe the database relationship. This mobile application is built using an Android Studio and use MySQL database. Although nowadays places in Indonesia are easy to find with the technology such as smartphone, most of us, especially Indonesian citizens, cannot easily recognize them. Moreover, Indonesia is known for its many smartphone users worldwide. So application markets such as the App Store and Google Play are trendy for downloading applications that can help them in their daily life. There are more than 320,000 developers from Google Play, and most of them work as a mobile game developer. Considering the convenient and affordable price of smartphone and the COVID-19 condition which caused the delivering the lesson to be done by virtually, smartphones are very much needed and help the technology transfer process. Learning by using smartphone is very important because there are many things that the user can do and learn. From the developer side, being able to create useful educational software is needed to keep the smartphone user ecosystem healthy. One of the practical and educational smartphone application is Google Street View. It is one of the Google feature that can help people navigate natural environment around the world. also some other implementation GeoGuess. This is a game is based on web browser game where people will place in random strip view location and then they can use limited movement to find clue about their places such as street sign, language, neighborhood, and etc. As we already know, Indonesia, located between the continent of Asia and Australia and flanked by the Indonesian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, stretches from Sabang in the west of Aceh province to Merauke in the east of Papua province, from Miangas in the north in North Sulawesi province to the island of Rode in southern province of Nusa Tenggara East. East Indonesia is split up from the west, starting from the island of Sumatra, Java, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, Bali, the Nusa Tenggara Island, the Maluku Island, and Papua. However, unfortunately, outside Indonesia, most people only know Bali compared to Indonesia, considering that Bali tourism is already well known and affordable by foreign tourists. According to the Geospatial Information Agency, Indonesia total number of islands is 70,500 acres with total land and water area about 8,300,000 kilometers square. It is divided with a water area of 6,400,000 kilometers square and along with the coastline length of 108,000 kilometers and the coordinate between Zik square 11 and 95,141. As the 14th largest country whose territory is mainly covered by the sea, Indonesia has many different cultures and regions, followed by its specialty. And based on the 2020 census of the Central Bureau of Statistics, Indonesia have 300 ethnic group to be precise. There are 1,340 ethnic group and the Javanese have population of 41% of the total population in Indonesia. The Javanese are an Austronesian people whose ancestors came from Taiwan and migrated through the Philippines. Javanese culture was born in the ancient Mataram in the era of Mount Merapi, followed by the presence of Singasari Kingdom, the Majapahit Kingdom. After that, Islam began to thicken into the Javanese through the Demak Kingdom, the Pajang Kingdom, and the Mataram Sultanate. The Javanese ethnic group is the largest ethnic group in Indonesia, primarily inhabiting the island of Java and scattered in the provinces of Banten, West Java, Central Java, Yogyakarta, and East Java. The Javanese are identified to the island of Java, where since before independence, the center of power of government has always been on the island of Java, namely in the city of Jakarta, to be exact. However, as the population on the island Java grows, most of the population on the island of Java has transmigrated to other islands. All the 7 presidents of the Unitary Republic of Indonesia who have ever ruled are from the Javanese tribe, starting from Sukarno, Suharto, Baharudin Yusuf Habibie, Abdurrahman Wahid, Megawati Soekarno Putri, Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono, and Joko Widodo. Apart from being scattered throughout the archipelago, the Javanese have also spread to all corners of the world. For example, the Javanese in Malaysia inhabit in state of Selangor and Johor, Malaysia. Almost 20% of total population of Malaysia is Javanese. In Singapore itself, there's a place called Kampung Jawa, where in the 19th century, Javanese people were brought by the British government to work on road construction, building railroad, and working on plantation. In addition, since 19th century, the Javanese were also brought to an area southwest Pacific Ocean, which had the status of French colony called New Caledonia and was employed as contract labor for mining and plantation. In addition, in 19th century, the Javanese were brought by British to Coco Island or Killing Island, an Australian territory located in the Indonesian Ocean. It is clear that the Dutch state, as a colonizer of Indonesia for 50 years, is a place where there are the most Javanese descendants, where they have assimilated with the Dutch population and are fluent in Dutch. Leiden University in the Netherlands has a special department for studying Javanese culture, Javanese writing, and music. Meanwhile, in Suriname, formerly Dutch Guyana, was a Dutch colony in South America. And in the 17th century, Javanese people were brought there to work in the plantation and mining. Javanese culture is famous for its rich culture, such as the Sekaten ritual, Javanese dance, wayang orang, wayang kulit, where people perform puppet control performance on stage while telling story rich in Japanese culture theme. So this paper put forward how to make a mobile application for Japanese culture education influenced by games, and hoping that an element of entertainment make it attractive for people who want to use it to learn Japanese culture. So it is hoped that this game-based mobile application can provide knowledge and education, especially for young people, to learn about Japanese culture as the culture of their ancestors. So we start with the use case diagram. Use case diagram, this is part of the UML, Unified Modeling Language, and the use case diagram will be used for the purpose for figure out for the business process. So in this case, we have 7 use case activity, such as registration, login, guessing Java place game, guessing Java historical object, guessing Java history game, forum, and information. So the registration will try to explain about how when the user want to use the system, they should do the registration. They should enter their data here that will be explained in the class diagram. They should enter the username, user email, and password. And then the login, before they use the system, they should do the login. They should enter the username and before they enter the system. And then the system will check if the username and password are matched, then they can enter the system. Otherwise, they will be rejected. Or if they forget about the username password, they will type the email address, and then the system will send to the email address if they should to renew the password. For the guessing Java place and game, we have 3 use case activity. This is for the purpose. For the next implementation, we'll try to equip more the games here. So hopefully it will encourage the young people particularly to learn about the Java culture. So the guessing Java place game, this is the purpose that people can recognize what kinds of the place that related to Java culture. And also the historical object. So this is the purpose to recognize the Java historical thing, and also the history game. The forum, this is the purpose that people when they're using the system, they can communicate. Yeah. They can question something. Yeah. They can answer. They can share something, or they can comment from any people sharing or question. Yeah. And then of course we have the information. This is for the purpose give the information regarding with the learning for Java culture, regarding with the regulation perhaps, yeah, government regulation or law. Yeah. And next we have class diagram. So in this diagram, the class diagram the same with the use case diagram as well, in order to figure out about the model, the database. So in this class diagram we have 6 classes. The class such as comment, forum, user, Java place game, Java object game, and Java storage game. So the forum, this is for the purpose for the thread. Yeah. So when the user asking something or share something, it will create a new record in the table forum. Yeah. And then if the user give the comment or answer any question from the thread, so they can create a one record in common. And then Java plus game, this is for the purpose for creating the Java place game. The same with the Java object game and Java historic game. Then there will be a score and level for each presentations of the games. Yeah. And next we will discuss about the UI, the user interface. So this is the main menu before the user running the application. They will be show the register and login. So this is the register. When the user want to use the system, they should do register with enter the username, email address, create password, and repeat password. And then they can click the button register, and then there will be create a record in the user table. Yeah. And then this is login. We already login. Just only put the username and password, yeah, to check on the system. So this is the game for the Java hint. This is for the main menu page. Yeah. So the main menu page, they will show the score that belong to the user that entered to the system. Yeah. And this is the game for the login page. Yeah. This is a Java object game, Java place game. Yeah. This is Java place game, Java object, where the people should look at what the similarity for each the figure here. This is the recognize for Java game, and this is the login. Yeah. If we do the login, they should enter username and password, and this is the place that should you enter the optional such as Java place, Java object, Java story, forum information, and this is the Java story where there's some option here. They can see what kinds of the history that they can learn here, and this is the information for the information any related for the application as well, the information regarding with the news or any information regarding with the government law or law. And this is the forum. Yeah, so the user can get a new thread, yeah, just a question or give sharing something, and then the thread, they can reply the thread by answer the question or comment any info related with the thread. Yeah. Okay, thank you for listening this presentation. I hope you will enjoy this presentation and will get the knowledge regarding with the learning the one of the culture using the mobile application by representing in game. Thank you and see you in another time.